Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you guys back watching another video in the festive season. Today I'm going to be doing a really beautiful soft glam look. It's very simple. I want to keep it very beginner friendly. So let's get into the video. I've decided to just bring you guys up close and personal so you can see all the steps. I know I look crazy. I just did my eyebrows and I have concealed my eyelids as well to prep for our foundation. But first things first, we're gonna be priming our face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. So this primer is a lightweight, smooth, poreless looking skin primer according to Maybelline, one of my favorite brands. And this primer has a silicone texture, so you do not feel it at all. Now for foundation, I wanted to go with the same effect, something lightweight but yet still very beautiful and soft. And I decided to take my Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation, and I am in the shade Toast. So this foundation is matte, so I'm just going to squeeze some on the back of my hand, so not a lot. And it has a mousse-like texture. I remember at first when I tried the foundation, I was like, what is going on? Because obviously I was used to liquid foundations, but I gave it a shot and it was beautiful. I loved it. Now for concealer, I'm going to take my Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline, and I am in the shade 30. As you can see, I'm almost running out because there was a point where this was the only concealer I used. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Revlon Photo Ready Candid Setting Powder, and this is in 002. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the It's My Rare BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's actually eyeshadow, highlighter, and contour. So this is how it looks like. How beautiful are these shades? Stunning. So I ordered this on the BH Cosmetics website because it is not in South Africa. And I just wanted to support a fellow YouTuber. If you don't know, It's My Rare. She's on YouTube. Really cool. So I'm going to start off with, actually I'm going to start off with Spice, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease using this fluffy brush. So this palette is very pigmented, as you can see. It's very pigmented, beautiful colors. And for this soft glam look, I want to use colors that you can wear every day and that are not too out there, but very simple, beautiful shades. Honestly, with eyeshadow, you just have to keep on blending. Blend, blend, blend until the eyeshadow just diffuses onto the eyelid. And if you feel like the color's not popping, then you just add some more and just continue the process of blending. You can go swipe motions, you can do circles, whatever works for you, as long as both sides look more or less the same, with the same amount of pigment, of course. Now I am going in with Control Freak, this brown color right there. And I'm putting that in the inner corner as well as right under that orange that we did. And you just want to create that ombre effect. I don't know if you can see that there. It's very beautiful sunset vibes. We're gonna go in with Spice, that orange color, just so that it doesn't disappear and go back in the crease area. Okay, we are done. Now for our shimmer, I'm going to be taking Fairy Tale, and it's a beautiful orange shimmer, and I'm going to apply that on the lid. So I'm not going to cut the crease or anything. I'm just going to use my finger because it's really pigmented. So I want to come up close so you guys can see. Look at that. It is stunning. How beautiful is that? And I'm just packing it onto the lid. So obviously it is going to be a bit messy because I'm using my finger, but don't worry, we'll clean that up. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just clean that up. So I'm going to take the two shades, which is Spice and Control Freak, which was the orange and the brown, and just go underneath my eyes. To contour, I'm going to take this dark brown, and this is Brownie Bite, and apply that just underneath my cheekbone. So it is very pigmented, so I don't dip in my brush too much, just like that. And you can see already how pigmented it is. For blush, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralize blush, and this is in Lovejoy. My favorite blush from MAC. I'm first going to go in with a liquid highlighter, and then I'm going to put the powder highlighter. So I'm going to use my Revlon Color Change Liquid Illuminator in Halo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dot it. And for the powder highlighter, I'm going to take this beautiful pink highlighter, and this is in Radiant, using my fan brush. How stunning is that? Blinding, darling, blinding. Sorry if the light is changing. I'm using natural lighting, so the sun does as it pleases. It does not need to ask permission. Obviously we're going for soft glam, so I don't want the lashes to be too glamorous. That's why I'm using these Jordan Wood eyelashes with eyelure. These are my favorite in terms of looking for a very soft look, but you know, you still want to be able to wear lashes and just to elongate them and to make your eyes pop. So definitely they are the one. I'm going to apply mascara using my MAC Extended Play Lash. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't like using nude lashes. I just feel like it's such a headache you have to fit them on, see if they're the right size, and then they must adjust to your real lashes. So honestly, I can wear my lashes to like about 20 times before I buy new ones. Now finally for the lips, I'm going to use my Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. And this is in the color 250 High End Coral. I love these, they are so fun. You just twist and the product comes out. These cushion lip tints are infused with coconut oil, so your lips stay hydrated. They feel so soft and they really smell good. Now to set my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Plus, and this is in lavender because I like things that smell really good on my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and that you found the steps really easy to follow, and I hope you like this beautiful soft glam look. I am in love. It looks very beautiful. Before we close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Beauty by Miso. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys would like to support me as well, all you have to do is click the red button. It says subscribe. It's down there below and it is free of charge, people. I am serious. You do not have to pay anything. Also click the bell while you're at it so you are notified of every time I post a new video, which is twice a week in this festive season, so you get a double dosage of moi. And I'm really excited to bring you guys some exciting content in 2020. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see, okay? I really want to hear your thoughts, and we are on the road to 500 subscribers, people. Hey. Let's do this. I have a really nice giveaway for when we reach 500 subscribers, so please let's make it happen before the end of the year. I love you guys so much. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.